The questions we are going to discuss today is: with reference to bunkering on board vessel, describe the following. Precautions for overflow during bunkering. Method of taking soundings during bunkering and operation of line valves. Let's start with the first part. Precautions for overflow during bunkering. During bunkering operations, it is essential to take necessary precautions to prevent overflow and ensure a safe and efficient transfer of fuel oil. The following precautions can be taken. Rate of filling. The rate of filling should not exceed 300 ton per hour to prevent overflow. The rate is slowed further when nearing tank completion. Pressure on bunker line. The pressure on the bunker line should not exceed 3 bar to prevent overflow. Tank gauging. Regular tank gauging should be performed to monitor the level of fuel oil in the tank and prevent overflow. Sounding. Sounding should be taken regularly during bunkering operations, especially when the tank is near to full. Extra watchkeeper. An extra watchkeeper should be present in the bunkering station to monitor the operation and respond to any emergencies. Good SOP. A good standard operating procedure, SOP, should be followed, including guidelines for bunkering operations, emergency procedures, and crew responsibilities. Tank level monitoring. The tank level should be monitored regularly to prevent overflow and ensure that the tank is not overfilled. Emergency procedures. Emergency procedures should be in place in case of an overflow or spill, including procedures for containing and cleaning up the spill. Let's discuss the next part of the question. Method of taking soundings during bunkering and operation of line valves. The method of taking soundings during bunkering on board a vessel involves the following steps. Prepare the sounding equipment, gather the sounding tape, sounding weight, and calculator. Select the correct tank, identify the tank being bunkered and ensure the correct sounding point is used. Lower the sounding weight. Carefully lower the sounding weight into the tank, ensuring it touches the bottom. Take the sounding, slowly pull up the sounding tape until it stops, indicating the fuel oil level. Record the level in meters or feet. Calculate the volume. Use the tank's calibration table or calculator to convert the sounding to a volume, example, tons or liters. Record the sounding. Log the sounding result in the bunkering log or sounding register. Repeat the process. Take soundings at regular intervals, example, every 10 to 15 minutes, during bunkering to monitor the fuel oil level. Verify the level. Take additional soundings to confirm the level after bunkering is complete. Now we will discuss. The operation of line valves during bunkering on board a vessel involves the following steps. Identify the valves. Determine which line valves control the flow of fuel oil to and from the tank being bunkered. Open the valves. Open the valves to allow fuel oil to flow into the tank during bunkering. Monitor the flow. Monitor the fuel oil flow rate and pressure to ensure a safe and efficient transfer. Regulate the flow. Adjust the valve opening to regulate the flow rate and prevent overfilling or spills. Close the valves. Close the valves to stop the fuel oil flow when the desired level is reached or bunkering is complete. Verify the closure. Verify that the valves are fully closed to prevent accidental opening or spills. Monitor the tank level. Continuously monitor the tank level using soundings to ensure the valve operation is accurate. Coordinate with the bunkering team. Communicate with the bunkering team to ensure synchronized operation of valves and pumps.